I'm at IMOS stand with Mr. Dell. He's the CEO of Sales and Marketing for IMOS. Mr. Dell, how are you doing?
It's very, very great here to be here on the fair. Yeah, we haven't expected so much visitors. We show our latest technology over here. We show our AI stuff, which people are really like, and everybody's excited about the future.
Correct. I have few questions. IX 2025 simplifies the workflows for craftsmen. How does it help businesses new to digital processes?
Yes. So with IX 2025, we cover the whole process from the sales to design to manufacturing. And it's all seamless. So you can work with the IX 25 wherever you want. You can work at the office, you can work mobile, and the data is always synchronized. And this, of course, improves, let's say, the complete digitization process and automation as well at the same time.
Okay, IS CAD/CAM CAS is designed for small businesses. What makes it an efficient and affordable entry point into digital manufacturing?
Yeah. So we have designed IX CAD/CAM CS mainly for people who want to enter in our technology. So we have simplified it, we make it more easier, even it's based on the same technology. So they are, let's say, have no reduction in the capability of using the design process, but when it comes to connection of a machine, it's done completely in the cloud. So the people are sending the information to the cloud, they configure the machine in the cloud, and retrieve always back from the cloud the data they send to the machine.
Well, my last question would be cloud-based synchronization allows mobile access. How does this improve collaboration across teams in the digital manufacturing process?
So in the past, IMOS was mainly installed on a local air network, so people have somehow connected to this network. Having now everything in the cloud, everyone can connect from everywhere. So the team can work from home, which is now quite popular here in Europe. They can work in the factories, they can work even on site, and they're sharing this information directly with all the members are connected.
Mr. Dell, thank you so much for talking to Wooden Panel.
Okay, thank you very much for visiting us.